Hey, this is Craig Phillips, owner of Quality Water Treatment, qualitywatertreatment.com, also known as Craig the Water Guy. Thank you for visiting us today. We really appreciate you taking a look at our products. Our water softener page for city water systems is going to give you three different choices, three different models. The first model is our Soft Pro salt-based water softeners. These particular water softeners are high efficiency upflow water softeners, so the water flows in the reverse direction as your traditional softeners, completely lifting up the bed and turning it over on a regular basis. So you get 100% usage of the resin bed compared to downflow softeners. It also has new age technology built into control valve for high efficiency ratings. These systems will save you up to 75% in salt and up to 64% in wastewater per regeneration over traditional water softeners. They also carry one of the best warranties on the market, anywhere from 7 years all the way up to lifetime warranty on the control valve, depending on which Soft Pro model you choose, and a lifetime warranty on the tanks. If you're looking for a water softener that will actually pay for itself in savings over a period of time that has the best warranty on the market, then you want to go with the Soft Pro water softeners. There is no better than that. The other salt-based water softener is the Fleck water softener. This is the 5600 SXT digital metered softener. This softener here is not upflow, it's downflow. Fleck does not make an upflow 5600 SXT softener. And there is no new age technology built into the control valve. So this system here will actually use up to 75% more salt and waste up to 64% more water than the Soft Pro system. The warranty on this is pretty typical. It's a 5-year warranty on the control valve and 10-year warranty on the tanks. Both good systems, but like I said earlier, if you want a softener that is the best, that's going to actually pay for itself over a period of time, and has a better warranty, than the Soft Pro is the way to go. Both of these systems, you don't have to use salt, by the way. You could use potassium chloride, which is a substitute for salt. You can actually switch back and forth if that's what you need to do. So I just want to throw that out there because a lot of people do ask us that question. Now we have our Soft Pro Natural Soft, which is our salt-free softener. The salt-free softener does not use salt, obviously. It doesn't have to backwash, so there's no electricity. It doesn't regenerate, so it doesn't waste any water. It doesn't remove the minerals like your traditional softeners do. What it does is it breaks down the minerals into nanometer particles, so it cannot permanently adhere or stick to surfaces, giving you the effect of soft water. These systems here are for city water only. We have different packages. These systems here are basically the same exact system as the Pelican salt-free softener, but for a fraction of the cost. This also has a lifetime warranty on it as well. If you're looking for a well water, if you're on your own private well, then you want to hover over the well water systems and click on residential water softeners. That's going to go over the different water softeners with you, as well as different well water packages, which also include iron filters coupled with softeners and pH neutralizers and stuff like that. Or you can just click on iron filtration or whatever you're looking for. If you need to size your water softener, regardless of whether you're on city water or well water, click on the sizing calculator, and this will ask you some questions and walk you through and actually size the softener for you, and you can take it from there. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 866-278-4130, or use our live chat by messaging us here, or use the contact page to send us an email. Thank you very much, and have a great day.